What's up guys, welcome back to Java GUI 14th video, and in this video I'm gonna show you and teach you how to add radio button on screen or your window and how to get input with it. So let's start. Like always, I added a few things, imported a few packages, Java art, event and swings, and I already created a class in which I extend JFrame and implements, and already created windows which is 300 by 50 size. Okay, so if you don't know how to create it, let go and watch my previous tutorials and then you will know how to do that. So first thing, we need to declare some variables. So let's declare three buttons, radio button. So just type j radio button, b1 and b2 and b3. So you can initiate declare individually. I declared it in one line, and the one more thing we need is text field. Just type text field and just type tf, named it, and now just let's add these things to your window. So first we need, so in this video I'm going to add a layout in a different way. So I never teach you, I don't know the content pane. So now I'm going to teach you what is content pane. So just type container and named it a variables content pane, and is equal to, after type get content pane. So what is this? It is exactly the container or base of your window which are you're going to creating. So this window we are creating, or I already created. So the container is the base of this window. So we can add all the things using this container. So let's set the layout. So cp, which is our container variable that we created a few seconds ago. So cp dot set layout, come on, yeah, set layout, or in this panel we are going to set the layout, so which is new flow layout. So you can things add using content pane, which is a better way of doing this. So better way of programming. So after adding this, let's add radio button on the screen. So just type b1 is equal to new j radio button, and want to give the name which is a. So this is a radio button. So what is radio button? Hope guys you know, it's kind of circle tick. You can, when you want to tick and it do some work, like a checkbox is a square bracket, but the radio button like a circle shape. So it is that's it, radio button. And now I want to add action listener. So just set here add action listener. You can set after, but I want to do in a sequence. So just add b1 dot add action listener, and in this action listener I just want to give a current control. That's why I type this, and just add b2. Now I'm not calling add function here directly. I'm going to add it by using control content panel, because this is the panel in which we set layout. So that's why I'm going to add this all the objects in this panel, otherwise you could get error, you will get error. So that's why. So add b1. So I just initialize it, added a action listener, and add it into our main panel. So just copy and paste it 3 times because we declared 3 buttons. And now I'm going to change the name to 2 and to here and 3, and just let's change the name B, and also change name C. So and one more thing I'm going to teach you, which is a button group. So what is button group? Let declare, and then I will explain. So just type button group and name it any variable. So BG stand for button group, and just type button group. Okay, and simply put semicolon. Let me see, and then add all the buttons in that group. So just type add, call add, not add, bg dot add. So it will add or assign all the button to a group. So we can, when we why we use let me explain why we use button group. So when we are working with multiple button collection in our window, so we assign different buttons to different groups. So this is a proper way of handling many buttons in one program. So we just going to assign these all 3 buttons to a group. So this is new thing to learn, and hopefully it's help you. So just add first button. So I'm going to assign these all button a group, add it again with v2, and same bg dot add. So this add function is not related with these add, because this is the panel that add these button to window, and this method added all button to button group. So I'm thinking last 2 minutes why the heck I'm getting this error, because I forgot to type new keyword. Yeah, that's okay. So now what we left, yeah, text field. So let's add text field, j text field, not j text field. Text field is equal to new j text field, and in this text field I'm not giving, no, let's give the size. So it takes 5 characters, so length of this text field will be 5. And yeah, just content pane, don't forget to add all the things within content pane. So just add text field. So now we have done with our constructor. Let's see whether it works or not. No, just create a action listener method first. So just public void action performed, yeah, perform, and it's action event. If you are watching this tutorial first time, or then please go to my last tutorials for better understanding. So in this method I'm going to actually perform the action on all these buttons. So let's, for now, just type tf dot get action command, no, tf dot set text. Yeah, I want to set the text in this field. So set text, and this just type a, which is our current object, a dot get action command. So what this line will do, it will display in text field the current action command, which is when when I click this button, the action command, current action command would be A, then it show in text field A. So let's run this, then you will be better to understand what the heck I just did. Here's our output. Oh, actually I give it length too small, just make it 150, I guess. Yeah. Now run it again. So here our window. So I just added three button and one text field. So what this action will do, when I click A, it shows A. When I click B, it shows in text field B. When I click C, and it shows is C. A, B, C. You can do it all the way, all the night and all the day. But I don't have a time for this. And let's change this to not our just that radio button, but because dice roll our previous tutorial. So one last week through, I imported three files and implements action listener and just added a container and set layout. In this container I added a three button and one text field, and I assigned a button group. I assigned it because I just want to teach you what is button group, but because for now it's not useful here, but the thing, this is important thing you need, I guess you know. And in this method, action method, when I click b1, it gets b1 object and it show b1 action command, which is A, and when I click b2 it show b, c, and that's it. So hopefully guys you understand, and if you don't, then go to my Facebook page Spark Programmer and you can ask me, or you comment right below the video. And thank you for watching. See you next time with another topic.